to the next episode of Sawyer Case Toy Review. I'm really excited about today's toy review because as I saw King Zippy open this Foxy mystery box.
I love Lankybox and
So I decided to do a knockoff of Billy's Toys review.
knockoff means bad version.
Yeah, so that's why I call it a knockoff. Well, it's still cool. Today we're opening the Foxy mystery box.
Yeah!
So let's get started and let's open this.
Do I need help? Because that's why I'm in this video.
Oh, scissors.
Grandma left them there in case we need help. That opened the plastic. I mean tape.
Get this tape off.
Oh no, Lankybox is injured. Mine is little ear. Let me put this on.
Ugh.
It's a little foxy baby.
Look, it's the Foxy.
Do you need help?
Oh wait, I see something.
Sir, there's a way how to do it. Sir, you know you can just rip it right here.
Oh yeah, let me do it.
It's pretty hard.
What? Yeah. Ah, it's full. Ah!
Are you sure you don't need help? There.
Okay, I finally got it open.
Meow.
Let's open this up.
Sir, don't put it on the table or the camera won't see it.
Okay.
Woo! Meow.
Yeah.
She's saying she wants to help.
Hang on.
Sorry, my kitty Meow wants to help.
Okay. So, we got all these mystery bags.
She wants to help.
I'll open the first one. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's get to the first one. Ooh.
Meow.
Okay, first up we get tag.
A ghosty tag.
Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, look at it. It's a cute ghost.
Meow. Look, she's gonna open the next one.
Open the next one.
Meow.
Ooh, we get 3 mystery stickers.
Meow.
Sure.
They're all in one pack.
Oh, they're all in one pack.
I just put them on the Foxy box.
Look at that. There's 3 stickers. Let's put it down.
Meow.
My turn. What's this? I don't know what it is. Now let's open that.
You got a rare Foxy like me.
Yeah. There's supposed to be 3 in here.
They're all in another pack, silly.
Okay, open the next one.
Meow.
Let's see what you got.
Meow.
Squishy. Ooh, it's a squish. Wait a minute. I I think I see gold. I think I see gold in there. Whoa!
Yeah.
Look, it's a rare mystery squishy.
I think that's actually legendary.
A legendary?
Legendaries are very rare.
I think this is a legendary or a rare. Can you guys tell me in the comments below? Oh, I need
Sir,
help.
I think you need to have enough likes and subscribers to have comments.
Okay. Oh, let's open the next one. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, we got sideboard thick shark.
Meow.
Yeah,
We're
look.
starting to have twins here, Sawyer.
Yeah. Hopefully the last one isn't a duplicate because I hate duplicates.
Meow.
Oh. Hopefully the last one isn't a duplicate.
Need to open your brain.
Are you serious? We got a duplicate.
At least this is not a duplicate.
Yeah. If we did get one of these, I'll be so mad. If I got a duplicate, I would be so mad.
Yeah.
Look at this mess over here. Bye. Yeah, bye.
Watch
Wait.
these.
Wait.
Oh,
I forgot to show you the book.
which is gonna be in the next video.
Yeah, which I'm showing it you right now. It's FGTV Out of Time.
Oh, they already know.
I bet you all know FGTV.
Everyone does.
Yeah, I know.
Except for people that was born.
Bye. Hi. See you in the next episode. Oh,
Boxy is saying bye.
if you can escape the gold box, see you can get out of there just in time. I will. Bye. Okay, get out.
See you.
Okay.
Boo!
Oh, bye. See you in the next episode. Stop Scarlet. Bye.
I just want to say bye too.
Okay, then say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Yum yum yum. Bye.
Okay, stop recording, please.